Here we have just arrived a Miller Subarc HDC 1250 with a Subarc welding tractor, as you can see, has new condition. Subarc tractor is also fitted with a Gulco seam tracker with remote pendant, new cables. Cables I'd estimate about 20 meters long, fitted with a Lincoln Subarc head or nozzle assembly, seam tracking probe from a Gulco. Been standing in a shop somewhere for some period of time. This machine will be serviced, cleaned and tested to order. More Subarc tractors can be seen on Westermans.com. Machine can be dispatched worldwide if required, and comes with warranty when fully serviced. Warranty would include 4 months fully serviced. For more details, please look on Westermans.com. Like I say, where you'll see other machines, Subarc tractors, column booms, cladding systems, MIG, TIG, arc, fume extraction, spot welders, just to name just a few. Plenty of machines in stock, so please look at the website and request prices where required. Thank you for looking.